We're here in the order office, and I'd like to introduce you to a person that's very, very important to Kallem Interior Design. This is Megan, and Megan helps me stay on track with all of my orders. When I bring an order into you, tell me for furniture and fabrics and area rugs and everything, kind of what the process is that we go through.
Well, once I get your order, it's our policy here that we have to get it turned around and on order within 24 hours. So usually I don't leave that day without ordering it. And then hopefully within another 24 to 48, I get an acknowledgement back, and that's a way to confirm that everything was placed correctly and that we're a go. And usually the acknowledgement tells me kind of a shipping estimate. So that's when I will usually email Teri and tell her, you know, what we're looking at. Because it can be all over the board due to like fabrics and legs and what have you. So then I just keep track of it. I try to every Friday check on everybody's order and see where it's standing, and keep Teri knowing where we're going.
And a lot of times, before you even put it in the system, especially if it's more of a detailed, customized order where we have fabrics that we've selected and finishes and different cushion options and things like that that are different for each piece that we order, we sit down and we review that just to make sure that what I have gone through with my client is the same thing that you're putting in the computer for
Definitely.
the order.
Yeah.
Very important
I
step.
like to get her a copy of the order that I am placing so that we all, it's a nice double check, triple check type of thing.
Yeah.
So there's lots of little components.
Megan's a very detail-oriented person, and I appreciate that, as I am as well. And these details, we don't like to miss anything in there.
We run pretty smoothly,
So, yeah.
It's working out really well.
Yeah. And then you let me know if there are any unforeseen back orders or anything like that, so that I can make my clients aware of these things, and we can make the appropriate arrangements based on construction dates or installation dates that we need to hit.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then once it gets here, my guys will unwrap it and we'll inspect it, make sure it's in great condition. Teri will come in. I'll let her know. She'll come in and check it out too. And if there's any issues, I can always call the vendor right away and handle anything that we're questioning or anything. So it's a pretty smooth process.
So this is one of the most important processes for an interior design company, is the behind the scenes of what goes on with each client's order.